What you're about to learn is extremely powerful. Here are 3 secrets for attracting what you desire in your life fast. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. It's so nice to just be able to fly over all the obstacles in your life. And I'm going to share with you 3 secrets in today's video that it'll help you manifest fast. And that's what it's all about, getting the law of attraction to work for you. But first, I want to remind you that we believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you absolutely depend upon. So we bring you these videos every single day to empower your life, to help you take your life to the next level. Be sure and subscribe and click the bell icon. I want to talk to you about these 3 secrets because they're absolutely powerful. And I've added a bonus at the end. Stay with me through the whole thing. At the end, I have a special bonus for you. Secret number 1 is to act as if. You know, I've heard some people say that that's not a good technique. But the truth of the matter is that's really the only technique that really works all the time. You see, the universe matches what you are, not what you want. I'm surprised how many times I've said that in a podcast or a video and then had somebody write down below, I want this. The universe does not give you what you want. It matches what you are. So whatever vibration you're putting out is the vibration it comes back with. I call this little technique theater of the mind. Several times a day, take a little snippet of time, like 1 minute, just 1 minute, and close your eyes and visualize as if you are already in possession of that new car. Feel that car. Feel the wind going through your hair if it's a convertible. What if it's a house? See yourself opening up that door for the first time and looking around, looking at the chandelier, the stairwell, the fireplace, the swimming pool. See it clearly in your mind. This is theater of the mind technique. It really works, and it puts you in a position to act as if. Act as if what you desire is already present, because the truth of the matter is, it is already present. It's simply a matter of you positioning yourself and moving yourself into alignment. So what are you going to do? Several times a day for about a minute, you're going to visualize not what you want, but who you are, the new you. Perhaps you're looking to lose weight or get in shape. See yourself and feel yourself with that stronger body, able to do more, be more, attract more, live a better life. That's what it's all about, acting as if and using this little technique I call theater of the mind. And it's 1 minute snippets on and off throughout the day. It really, really works, and it gets directly back into your subconscious mind because you're feeling it. You're seeing it, you're feeling it, you're believing it, and next thing you know, there it is, right in front of you. Oh yeah. Secret number 2 is Incantations Nightly. Every single night as you are falling asleep, I invoke the power of my subconscious mind to aid me, to change my beliefs, to help me overcome inner obstacles, to reduce the inflammation and pain in my body, to melt away and dissolve my doubts and fears. And what happens then is you start to believe new things about your life. You become more resourceful. You believe that you're already rich, and the money starts flowing. You believe you already have an incredible relationship, and the love starts growing. You believe that you are healthier than ever before, and you're moving your body, you're dancing all night, working out in the morning, you're just absolutely on fire with your life. Nightly, incantations. I invoke the power of my subconscious mind to aid me in the following belief. That's a big key, and it absolutely works. Now, I've got one more secret, and then we're going to get to the bonus. Hang in there. Secret number 3 is an absolute game changer because it really conditions your subconscious mind from the inside out. And that is a gratitude journal. Don't just get some cheap notebook. Get something that's really nice. Get something that's a little bit expensive that says, this is important to me. And then every day, write down a few things that you are grateful about your new life. Okay? You know, your new life. I'm grateful for the new car that I own. I'm grateful for the new house that I live in. I'm grateful for the incredible relationship I'm sharing with someone or someone better. Okay? Write it down every day. There is something that takes place when you take a pen. No. Please. I heard you out there. You're saying I can just type this in my computer. No. You're going to write it down. There's something that takes place when you use your body and your mind and they connect together and you write down in a journal that's nice, that's special. I have several journals. They're all leather bound. They're beautiful. And they mean something to me. If they didn't mean anything to me, I'd be writing them in a 19-cent binder of some sort. You see what I'm saying? So give it value. It's absolutely important. Write it down, and then the next time you go to write it down, you can date it. Go back and read the old ones. You're going to be shocked. I mean, you're going to be shocked. Okay, I can't emphasize this enough. If you start writing this down and dating it, you'll look back 6 months, 4 months, a year, and you'll go, wow, look what I wrote down a year ago. I already have it in my life. I was so grateful for this new and loving relationship, and now I'm involved in a new and loving relationship with my twin flame. It's incredible. Oh, I get excited. I got to take a breath. Oh, yeah, I get so excited about this, and it's so wonderful. It's absolutely marvelous when all of you start writing me and you start sending me emails about how wonderful things are going in your life. By the way, right down below here, write the word gratitude. Gratitude. Yeah, we know you're thankful for the things that have happened in your life. We know you're thankful for your parents and all of that. I'm urging you to be thankful for what you haven't even attracted yet. Well, it's already present. You simply have to align to it. And by doing this gratitude journal, it will open up to you. And you'll walk through the door and there it is. High flyers, I believe we have an incredible community here. And Rachel and I are dedicated to bringing you the latest in the law of attraction, personal empowerment, and taking your life to the next level. I want you to imagine that every subatomic particle in your body and in your energy field is now working in harmony to help you manifest your deepest desires and your dreams. Imagine that. All these subatomic particles are now in perfect alignment, helping you manifest what you deeply desire, the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health you depend upon. I'm so excited to share this link with you. It's called manifest15minutes.com. That's manifest, number 15, minutes.com. I want you to go there and just listen to this incredible program that will absolutely change your life. It will help all of your energy field begin moving in the same direction to attract what you desire, like a subatomic magnet. It's incredible. I love this program, and I'm sharing it with you. Simply go to manifest15minutes.com. There's nothing to buy. You can just simply look at it, or if you decide to invest in it, I think you're making the best decision of your life. That's up to you. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Have a great day, because you all absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.